This is Abid Hussain Malik from Abid Financials. Welcome to our YouTube channel Abid Financials. Today we are going to discuss
USPS exam 943, 944 and 945.
and I shall go through all questions with correct answers. I shall read each and every question and give you the best possible correct answers. Let's move on later.
Sample test questions, and this is section 1, that is relevant to automotive mechanics. Question number 1: a spongy brake pedal usually indicates option A, worn shoes repairs, B, defective brake booster, C, brake out of adjustment. In option D, air in system, correct option is option D, air in system. Then question number 2, a battery load test determine if the voltage meets a minimum standard, B, imperage meets a minimum standard, C, charging system is defective, D, cold cranking empress or sufficient. The option is option A, voltage meets a minimum standard. Question number 3, oil pressure gauge may be of the dash or type, thermistor primary, or B is magnetic or bimetallic, C is secondary or property, D is cadmium and electrical. Correct option is option B, magnetic and bimetallic. Number 4, all of the following could cause tire wear if not within manufacturer specs except question A, steering axis inclination, B, toe in, C, coaster, and D, camber. Correct answer is option C, caster. Question number 5, a hydro boost system provides assisted power to steering in which other system? Option A, electrical, B, air ride suspension, C, air conditioner, D, braking. Correct option is option D, braking. Question number 6, no cranking and no lights when the key is turned on the start position may be caused by all following except option A, dead battery, B, open fusible link, C, burned out headlight, D, open circuit. Correct option is option C, burned out headlight. Next question is section 2, automotive technician. The time is 30 minutes. And question number 7, in addition to vacuum, which of the following represent one means of opening an exhaust gas recirculation system valve? Option A, electricity, B, hydraulic pressure, C, manual linkage, D, compression spring. Correct option is option A. A technician is performing a 4-gas analyzer test on a vehicle and find a high hydrocarbon reading with the engine misfiring only at idle. What is most likely the cause? Option A, leaking intake manifold, B, exhaust gas recirculation, C, secondary ignition wire shorting, and D, partially clogged fuel injector. Correct option is option B, exhaust gas recirculation valve that does not fully close. Question number 8, when a transmission in the park position emits a high pitch whine that increases with engine revolution per minute, what is the most likely cause? Option A, a bad front bump, B, a lost torque converter, C, misadjusted park pole, D, a worn sprayage unit. Correct option is option A. It is not necessary to remove an automatic transmission to make which of the following repairs? Option A, front pump seal, B, governor assembly, C, rear clutch pack, D, stator spore assembly. Correct option is B, governor assembly. Question number 10, a wet compression test is used to isolate which engine defect? Option A, leaking head gasket, B, worn valve sets, worn valve seals, worn piston rings, Correct option is option D, one piston rings. Which three of the following are most likely to be caused by excessive fuel pump pressure? These are the four options here. Float needle held off its seat, high gasoline level is carburetor floater chamber, and airlock in the fuel line, increased gas consumption. So these are the option A, B, C, D. Correct option is B, 1, 2, 4, but not 3. Important exam rules. So this exam is physical exam. You cannot take online on their websites. So you need minimum 70% passing marks, and the total time is 60 minutes. There are two sections, 30 minutes of each. Bring a valid government issued photo ID. No personal item like electronic calculator are allowed. You can only reschedule, cancel before 24 hours before appointment. Late for more than 15 minutes not allowed to the test. Calculator is usually provided by some exams. So that's all for today. Please subscribe my channel for more videos of USPS, Walmart, Sam's Clubs, and Target. See you in our next video. That's all for today. Please visit my channel with financials, and where you can go for the playlist, and here you will find a lot of videos. This is a playlist, and these playlist of level 3 Target and CBS forms, and level 2 questions, and QuickBooks level 2 certifications, and Walmart. All these information you can find here. I have also created the videos regarding QuickBooks level 1, level 2 exam answer and their study materials. You may also learn the QuickBooks training. This is my YouTube channel, and I help the people to grow their businesses. Please attach with my YouTube channel, and you can learn. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Hi, this is Abid Malik from Abid Financials. Today we are going to discuss USPS exam 710, 720, 725, and 730. That is relevant to clerical battery. These are the sample test questions with the best answers. Before starting this exam, please subscribe my channel. If these videos are useful, please write in the comment section these are useful, or if you have any query or questions, confusion, let me know at my official number. I shall provide you my help. If you need these notes and the PDF, please mention in the comment section with your email. I shall provide you. First section is relevant to the sequence. Question number 1, Rojan and Sam. So these are the 6 options here. Rojan author L, Rogani Pada, and these are the different options. So correct option is option B. Next question is this one. 05076012. This is a sequence, and A, B, C, D, E options are given. Correct option is option D, 05076021. So next question is question number 3, CBA 18175. So CCA CAA 1720, CAB 1815, CAC 1804, SCAD 1402, and CAD 1402. What is the correct option? Correct option is option E, CAD 1402. or D, depending on the exact position, which this is E. Comparison question 4, Helene, Bidal, Helene. So these are the different name, and the correct is the second and third are exactly alike. So number 5, these are the option F, T, Vedmir. So correct option is first and second are exactly alike. So number 6, 3 to 1, 4, W, Beaumont.